Alright, so Positive Day Delivers. This is locally Gigi, Sunga from Mike and James Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng delivers natin. And it's the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo po yan doon. And sa lahat mo gusto magpa-post sa atin, online or personal. And if you want to advertise your business or if you want to enroll in my masterclass, and if you need a speaker for a seminar for students, teachers, parents, and companies team building, message ka lang 0939-254-311 or sa aking FB page, Super Gigi. By the way, yung masterclass natin, ginawa na lang natin siyang 5 sessions. So, para mas madali at mas affordable na lang siya sa ating mga kababayan. Ngayon at present, mayroon tayong 3 enrolled. So, thank you and congratulations sa inyo. It's about achieving something in your life na hindi mo mapagtuunan ng pansin o nawawala kang motivation and you don't know how. So, I can help you with this masterclass. Alright? Okay, so, why I'm not an advocate of balanced life? Di ba lagi natin naririnig yung you should have a balanced life. Di ba? Malagi-lagi yun eh. You should live a balanced life and everything. You know, again and again, kagaya lang din siya ng pag-ipon, pag-budget. A balanced life is killing you slowly. You just don't realize it. It leads you to an ordinary life. Okay? Kaya hindi ko ina-advocate ang balanced life because it will just give you an ordinary life. Eh, sino ba may gusto ng ordinary buhay? Kasi pag ordinary lang ang buhay mo, ordinary lang din ang results, and ordinary lang din ang nararamdaman mo, ang na-experience mo. It's not extraordinary. Right? You know, for how many years I was trying to balance my life. Balance it with my family, with my work, with what I like, with TV, with everything, enjoyment, lahat. So, I was trying to balance it for how many years? For 43 years, na-balance naman. So, sa kakabalance ko, yun, nabuhay ako sa mediocrity. Nabuhay ako sa ordinary buhay. I live from paycheck to paycheck. Walang nangyari sa buhay ko when I was trying to balance my life. Alright? So, today, gusto ko pag-isipan mo kung dapat mo bang balansin ang buhay mo o hindi mo dapat balansin ang buhay mo. And here are reasons why you should not be living in a balanced life. Mali na naman yan, na-brainwash na naman tayo dyan eh. Mali na naman siyang advocacy. Napilit natin binabalanse ang buhay natin na hindi naman siya dapat magbalanse. Tinan mo lang to Let me just tell samples to you, okay? Lahat ng mga extraordinary bagay na naganap sa buong mundo, okay? Lahat ng mga extraordinary things na na-discover, na-invent, nagawa, okay? Lahat na yan, ginawa ng mga tao na hindi nila binalance sa buhay nila. Zuckerberg, ilang buwan niyang ginagawa. For how many months naging balance may buhay niya? No. When he was starting Facebook, hindi balance ang buhay niya. Nung balance ang buhay ni Zuckerberg, walang Facebook. Bill Gates. Alright? Nung ginagawa niya Microsoft, balance ba yung buhay niya? Hindi, di ba? Pero nung binabalance niya yung buhay niya, nung nag-aaral pa siya, balance ang buhay, walang Microsoft. Right? Jack Ma from Alibaba.com. Di ba? He was trying to balance his life. Nung balance ang buhay niya, may nangyari ba? Nung nagtuturo siya, nung nagtuturist guide siya, na binabalance niya talaga yung buhay niya, meron bang Alibaba.com? Pero nung nagsimula siya hindi na balansin ang buhay, nagkaroon ng Alibaba.com. And many more. Many more. Ang dami. Grant Cardone, di ba? Ty Lopez, dahil lang. Ang lahat ng yan, hindi nila binalansin ang buhay nila. Lahat lang naman nagbabalansin ang buhay. Yan may ordinary buhay. Okay? So, bakit nga ba hindi? Because of this major premise. Okay? This major thing that you should realize, right? So, when you try to balance things, ibig sabihin nun, every day, you are doing the same thing. Kasi balancing nga eh. Di ba? So, gumigising ka ng medyo maaga, di ba? Magtatrabaho ka, mamayang gabi, magagala ka ng konti, manonood ka ng TV. Then, you will sleep 8 hours, di ba? Then, bukas, gigising ka ulit. So, balancing. But you are doing the same thing every day. Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, if you are doing the same thing every day for the next 5 years, you will have the same life. Kaya nga yung buhay natin hindi nababago eh. Kakabalance natin. Kaya kung anong buhay natin 5 years ago, yan pa rin ang buhay natin ngayon. Kung anong pera mo 5 years ago, yan pa rin ang pera mo 5 ngayon. Because we are doing the same thing. Because we want to balance things. And if you are doing the same thing every day, number 1, you're working on the same craft, on the same pace, on the same level. Kasi balance nga eh. Dapat makauwi ka ng 5, balance eh, para mapagluto mo yung pamilya mo. Diba? Tama naman yun. Balance. Diba? Nagtrabaho ka, nagpamilya ka, at mamayang gabi manonood ka ng Netflix. So, balance ang buhay mo. Kaya na, you're working on the same level, the same pace. At dahil you're working on that same pace or level, so what's happening? You are producing the same results. Kaya hindi tayo napopromote eh. Kasi gusto natin balanse, makauwi ng 5, nagmamadali tayo, may trabaho pa, uwi ka na. Sino pupromote sa'yo? Diba? Kailangan mo mag-aral sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar, for seminar, for your promotion. Ayaw mo kasi kailangan balance ang buhay mo, diba? Meron kang dapat tapusin ng certificate, aralin na skill, you need to go to your work every Saturday, mag-extend ng time sa hapon. Ayaw mo kasi you need to balance life. Ano yung Saturday ko? Kailangan mabalansi ko talaga eh. Kailangan makapaglinis ako. Kailangan makalabas kami ng family ko. Balance life. So you're doing the same thing, kaya yun, the same results. You're working on the same pace, di ba? Konting work, tapos fellowship. Fellowship talaga, coffee break. Di ba? Balance na balance. So, walang nangyari. Okay? Second, if you are doing the same thing, okay, that means you are talking to the same people. And if you are talking to the same people, you're getting the same idea. Ngayon lang bago ako nagpunta dito sa Starbucks, may dumating kaming nagbibigay ng proposal. So, nakipag-usap ako, brainstorming, new people. So, ang dami ko rin natutunan sa kanila. Di ba? So, if you're talking to the same people, you're trying to balance things, you're doing the same thing every day, you're getting the same idea. So, dahil the same idea lang yung nakukuha mo, so anong nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo? Wala kang ginagawang bago. Alam mo, every Saturday, lumuluwas ako. Gamitin ko si Ma'am Joyce. So, dahil ibang tao, I mean, from Manila, so, ang idea niya, iba. So, nakabuo kami ng naggagawa ng perfume, magkakaroon kami ng ibang bagay, ibang business, real estate and everything, na hindi ko naiisip when I was talking to the same people. Nung nagmi-meeting kami every Saturday, so ang dami ng ideas na dumarating, di ba? Kasi alam nyo, talking to different types of people is one type of stimuli. At pag may stimulus, may response. You are responding. Diba? Kaya wala tayong response na kakaiba, na hindi tayo nagiging mas masipag, hindi tayo mas nangangarap, hindi tayo mas nagsisikap sa buhay kasi wala namang stimulus, wala namang nag-motivate sa atin, walang nag-inspire, walang nagbigay ng bagong idea sa atin. That's okay? Next. Alright. Next is, we're learning, if you are doing the same thing every day, you are learning new things. Wala kang natutunan bago kasi pinagbalansin mo nga eh. Ayaw mo magpasa sa gabi, mag-extend ng time, di ba? Ayaw mo matutunan yung ganitong bagay. So, you're learning new things, the same thing. So, if you're learning the same thing, wala kang challenge. Wala nagiging challenge sa'yo. Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Wala. Hindi ka nag-challenge, wala ka naman tutunan eh. Kasi when we learn new things, nagkakaroon tayo ng bagong challenge sa sarili natin. At meron tayong nabubuong pangarap, nabubuong action plan, di ba? Eh dahil wala kang bagong action plan. Alright? And number 10. Okay, when you are doing the same thing, no extraordinary project. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I was trying to balance things. Hindi naman pala maliwanag. Ba't ba ako nakasalamin? Si Maid sa labas. I was trying to balance things, kaya wala akong nagawang extraordinary for 3 years. Ito lang last 3 years, doon ako may nagawa. Speaker ako, naging vlogger, naging coach, may mga businesses. Diba? So, nangyari lang yan nung hindi ko binalance ang buhay ko. Medyo late na ako natulog, nagdagdag ako ng oras to work. So, hindi siya balance talaga. Pero, nakaproduce ako ng results. I read a lot, hindi siya balance. Kasi mas maraming binabasa kaysa nanonood ang TV, na ipagtawanan. So, mas hindi siya balance, pero may results. Diba? Ganun siya talaga, mga kapatid. So, ang challenge ko ngayon this morning to do, this afternoon, is to try to evaluate your life. Ilang taon ka nang mabubuhay sa balanced life? Tamang oras ng tulog, tamang pagkain, tamang gala, tamang panahon sa lahat ng bagay, di ba? Sakto lahat, balanse naman talaga siya. Pero may nangyari magkakaiba sa'yo. Were you able to achieve something? Nakasulat ka ba ng libro? Meron ka YouTube channel? May business ka ba? May e-commerce business ka ba? Nakapag-travel ka ba? Yun ang tanong eh. Nagawa mo ba yung mga gusto mong gawin because of that balanced life? Kung hindi, start living a not balanced life. Okay? Pagdating naman araw, babalansin mo rin ang buhay mo. Ngayon, unti-unti, nababalansin ko na eh after 3 years. Pwede na ako hindi masyadong, if may choice na ako ngayon, may choice na ako. Okay? So, Delivers, if you need further coaching for this or gusto mo patulong sa akin on how to do this, how to not balance your life, okay? To live not an extraordinary life, because a balanced life will just give you an ordinary life, which I don't recommend. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabago at umulan natin buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah? Let's go, let's go.